Unlocking the mystery of where in English grammar. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our interactive English language learning series. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating area of English grammar, relative clauses. Specifically, we'll dive into the world of relative adverbs and uncover how to use where with prepositions. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in your understanding of how and when to use where in different contexts. Before we move into the heart of the topic, let's quickly recap the basics. The relative adverb, where, is primarily used to connect sentences or clauses, and it usually refers to a place. For example, I love the park where I used to play. Here, where is connecting the place, park, with the activity of playing. Now, let's explore how where can be used with prepositions. This combination can make your English more sophisticated and fluent. But remember, the preposition usually comes at the end of the clause. For example, this is the cafe where I was sitting in. Here, in, is the preposition. There are several prepositions commonly used with where. Let's look at a few examples. In, as used above. Another example. The library where I study in is huge. At, that's the restaurant where we ate at. On, do you remember the beach where we walked on? From, this is the college where I graduated from. Note, while some grammar experts argue that the final preposition in these examples is redundant, this structure is common in informal spoken English. Now, let's look at how to avoid ending sentences with prepositions, also known as preposition stranding. Although ending a sentence with a preposition is perfectly acceptable in modern English, some people prefer to avoid it. To do this, we can rearrange our sentences. The cafe where I was sitting in becomes the cafe in which I was sitting. That's the restaurant where we ate at. Becomes, that's the restaurant at which we ate. This structure is more formal and is often found in written English. And that's a wrap on our exploration of using where with prepositions. We've covered a lot today, from the basics of using where to marrying where with common prepositions and even how to avoid preposition stranding. Keep practicing these examples in your everyday English, and you'll soon notice a big improvement in your fluency and confidence. As always, happy learning and see you in the next video.